It's a wonderful radio. When you're hearing things, wake your hearing things. If you should tell me that I'll always be the one you'll always love so true, then I can tell you I believe fall in love with you. It wasn't long ago I saw you there. But even then I thought I knew that isn't half a chance I believe I could really fall in love with you. I've been too long on my own summer now. I've been too long by myself. More lonesome now. Yet I'm don't ever see the smile smiling now. And he don't let me see. And I can tell you so easily. I could easily fall in love with you. I've been too long on my own free now. I've been too long all by myself. I couldn't feel more lonesome now. If I was understand. Don't ever see that smile is smiling now. And don't let me see. And I can tell you so easily. I could easily fall in love with you.
Oh, yeah, Cliff Richard having a ball. That is called I Could Fall in Love with You. It's from the panto Aladdin and his wonderful little old lamp. It's 3 minutes and a half. 6 o'clock. You're listening to the Pete Brady Show, and a great, big, wonderful good morning to you here from Radio London. It's the Searchers. Tell me, honey, what have they done to that rain?
The
Sound of the Rain, a happy little sound here at 6 minutes past the hour of 6. You're listening to the Beat Brady Show. The happy sound of the Ray Charles Singers.
One more time. Let me hold you one more time. Before you walk away, my let me hold you near. I love you, dear. So let me kiss you one more time. Let me kiss you one more time. I know I'm gonna miss you so. My darling, when you go, I miss you so. So let me say all of you. And let the love and all I love you. Say I have, say I have. And the memory of you. You see me through. So let me hold you one more time. And let me kiss you one more time. That's all I'll ever ask of you. And let me say that you love me too. Oh, baby, one more time.
Here we go, the Ray Charles Singers. And thank you very much. It's 9 past the hour of 6, and Radio London is now on the air with its regular broadcasting schedule. This station will bring to Britain the very latest from Radio London's Top 40, along with up-to-date coverage of news and weather. Radio London promises you the very best in modern radio, and I think Frank Garfield likes it.
It sounds good to me. 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 Well, I was at a dance on a Saturday night. There was a swinging cat there at the shoreline. And then when the band took the bell, the cat calling me upstairs. It sounds good to me. 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 Something I was having fun. There was a girl I'd been out since the dance began. So I walked away and came back again. I had to make that with you. It sounds good to me. 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 The band stopped playing, she said, now I gotta go, I gotta play sure. She said, well, I don't know, I've been hurt before, I don't want no more. It sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me, too. Adam Faith, and it's 11 and a half past 3 hours, 6 o'clock. You're listening to Radio London. And the weather word says, variable cloud, bright intervals, and good visibility. The northeast winds will decrease, and the high today, 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Little time for the shaggy dog now. The first, and the first, the word, and the dawn, till the dawn, like a cat in farm. The big thing, little thing, like a hell in a cage, but then a guy, and then a go, and a guy, come on, come on, come on, baby, come on, come on, baby, come on, come on, come on, baby, whoa, come on, come on, come on, baby, come on, come on, come on, baby, come on, come on, come on, baby. That's Ricky D. Lane, and that's called The Shaggy Dog. It's, let's see, 14 minutes past the hour of 6 o'clock.
Start your day with a smile on this, the Pete Brady Morning Show from wonderful Radio London, where you get your kicks on 266.
Here's Judy Rogers, a happy little sound.
Like a child, I would love and fairy tale. Like a child, would you me everywhere? Like a child. Like a child, giving me a sunny soul. Like a child, I'm so full of love and joy. Like a child. I must confess that I never felt this way before. But with every passing day, it seems I love you more and more. Like a child, I want you, so proud of me. Like a child, me and my heart is green.
Baby, that's 17 back Simpson. That's Julie Rogers, Like a Child, a happy little child. We continue with music. Designed to get you up on the right side, on the back side. Here are the Shangri-Las.
Is that Jimmy's in your way? Mm-hmm. It must be very rowdy with you. By the way, yes, we do. That's when I fell for the leader of the pack. My folks are always down.
The Shangri-Las, their big new sound, leader of the pack. Will that make the top of the Radio London private recording? Will you just stand by? Time will tell. Okay, let's continue with Wayne Fontana and the Mindbenders. Something up there, it's on its way down. Just a little...
Welcome to the top. It wasn't quite dark, there was a man sitting on a bed. Out of the water, his head lowered back. He just moaned and he paid no sense, and he just go Every moment, if you go
Fontana and the Mindbenders and those 6 little looms, baby. Radio London is now on the air with its regular broadcasting schedule. This station will bring to Britain the very latest with Radio London's Top 40, along with up-to-date coverage of news and weather. Radio London promises you the very best in modern radio.
First to salute Radio London is News of the World. Naturally, because the news of the world always comes first. And as the world's greatest newspaper, it extends a big welcome to this, the newest and most powerful of all the new radio stations. Every week on Radio London, the News of the World will bring you the latest news of its vivid worldwide reporting, its dramatic uncensored features, its lively sports reports, pop news and showbiz coverage. Stay tuned to Radio London, and every week you'll get the latest news of the News of the World.
Wonderful Radio London.
Well, it's a happy sound, people. Music to get up with. It's 24 past 6. It's the Everly Brothers, Don and Phil. Their latest release, Gone, 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 baby. And then we go to the Everly Brothers. It's called Gone, 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 and instead of a happy sound at 26 minutes past the hour of 6, you're listening to the Pete Brady Show. Here's Frankie Vaughn.
Don't want no woman to treat me mean. I just serve me a loving machine. I call her Susie Q. My Susie Q. You know it's true. I love everything you do. My Susie Q. I press a button, she kisses me and then I press another button and she does it again. Hey, you know it's true. I love everything you do, my Susie Q. I press a button, she cooks me a snack. I press another button and she scratches my back. Hey, hey. Kiss and cuddle till the engine runs down. Hey, hey. Hey,
love everything you do by Susie Q. That's Frankie Vaughn, and it's a great big happy sound. The time is coming up to the half hour, 30 minutes past 6 in 30 seconds.
Wonderful Radio London, he's around the clock.
Dateline, Wednesday, December the 23rd, Washington. President Johnson has approved the plans of a new military aircraft capable of carrying 700 troops. The construction of 125 of these planes is envisaged. London, police have questioned the child murderer Frederick Allen Smith about his recent escape from prison. Westminster, it has been suggested in Parliament that the grant to Keep Britain Tidy movement should be increased. This was partly prompted by the discovery of more than 70 broken TV sets on one spot. Gatwick Airport, where the hundreds of Americans whose aircraft was delayed by a technical fault restarted their Christmas at home journey last night. And the weather word, variable clouds, bright intervals, good visibility, the northeast wind is decreasing, and the temperature should be around 3 degrees centigrade, 37 degrees Fahrenheit. More news and weather in an hour's time. Meanwhile, music galore from Sister Shore on the Pete Brady Show.
And we continue with Happy Sounds, people. Here's John Layton. From his film, Summer Holiday.
What can I do to let you know I love you? I think about you night and day, and every time you're not around.